Hello, I'm Luke from Click4Assistance, and in this video I'm going to be discussing with you about predefined replies and how to configure them based upon your business needs. Let's see how you do this. This module allows you to create an unlimited library of responses which can be quickly and easily injected into chat to welcome a visitor to your website or to answer frequently asked questions. It can also be used to improve response times for visitors as well as to provide consistent messaging throughout your website. Shortcut keys can be set up for ease of use for your advisors. For example, by pressing Ctrl and a certain letter key, they can provide a response within seconds. It's also possible to create a keyword based on a question or query that's come through. So for example, if a customer asks about the price of an item, the word price can be set up to also suggest a response. And this can then be linked into a website or other resource available.
The Predefined Replies module allows you to group the replies to make them easier to find. The replies are easily moved and ordered by simply dragging them and dropping them into a new group. We'll do that for you now here. There we are. As well as the buttons across the top, there is a menu available when right-clicking the options, the same options. So for example here we've got copy and delete, and if I right-click I've got copy and delete and rename as well. This module is used for the administrators to set up their replies. The replies can grow organically by adding them as you begin to deal with chats and realise what questions are being commonly asked. To add a new reply, click on the parent folder first. In this example we're going to create a new group. So we're going to click on the Predefined Replies, create group. And you can see it's just at the bottom of my screen here, so I'm going to adjust this, well I'm going to type blindly, but if you want to see this properly you can close the little box up here. Just a quick read of that if you need to, and now we can actually see the full screen. Then we'll create a reply within this one. So what we're going to do here is we're going to right click or create reply by button. Just going to key in some information here. The @visitorName tag you can see here will use the first name that the visitor to the website has used when they started the conversation. This adds a nice personalisation to it. Now we've typed in this bit of the message, what we're going to do here is click where the word here is, and we're going to convert that into a link, and we're just going to key in the web address in question. So for example I'm just going to key in mydomain.co.uk/price. This of course will be your website and whatever you want to go to. Now that we've got that set up, you've got the blue underline. Now that we've created this link, we're going to apply some comma separated values to this reply. So I'm going to add the words price, how much, value and cost. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'm now going to choose a shortcut hotkey. I'm going to use B in this instance, and then I'm going to save the reply, and there we are.
And there we have it, your predefined replies are now set up and good to go. 3 things to take away from this video. Number 1, remember that predefined replies enable you to have faster response times to your customers, and from a business point of view, you're providing consistent messaging. The second thing to remember is that from your customer services advisors, you can set up predefined responses through hotkeys, meaning again faster replies. And the third thing to remember is to ensure that you select a parent folder before you're creating a new predefined reply. I've been Luke with Click4Assistance, and I'm helping you to converse, monitor and engage with your customers.